In this video I'm going to show you how to save down all the attachments in an attached email, so you could have multiple emails attached to one email like this right here, and there are two attachments in this email and then two attachments in this email. So if you want to pull all the attachments out of the emails and send them in separate emails, then you can run this program. So I have those two files saved over here. You can use my save all of the attachments from Outlook into a folder video to get that part set up. Basically, I'm just going to press play and it's going to open up each of these one by one, save all the attachments from each of them, and send them in an email to myself, or whichever email I'll explain later. So I basically just sent that, and there we go. I got this email and this email, so I pulled all the attachments out of the two emails, or however many unlimited emails you have saved in this folder, and it just sends them with the attachments so that you can then run my other program that pulls all the attachments, or pulls all of the top messages that you select that are attached, because that counts as an attachment too, and it basically gets everything into the folder. So how this one works is, I'll just walk through the code. So this just counts the number of folders in here, in this folder. So there's only one folder in there. And then this just puts all of the files in here. It puts all the names in column A. So just skip through this. So now all these names are from the folder path in Excel. And then over here, it basically fills out this formula and looks for a dot message and puts a value that finds where a dot message starts in the characters in column A. And then it copies, pastes values, removes formulas, and replaces value with 0. So then over here, as long as the counter doesn't, so B and counter B1, it does equal 0, so it doesn't execute this if statement. It skips it, goes to end if, and then it adds counter to itself, and then it goes to B2, and B2 isn't 0, so it sets my file 2 equal to A2. So my file 2 is email1 with PDFs. And then over here, it creates an Outlook application. It opens it up, and it sets the path equal to this folder path, and then equal to the file. And over here, it opens the selected email here, and then this displays the email. This maximizes it, and then with the message, it sends it to whichever email address you write here with the subject email, and then this actually sends the email. And then this sets Outlook to nothing, this sets the message selected equal to nothing, and then this basically switches back to my macro workbook, and it loops to the next message.